Hi, I'm Peppa. This is my little sister Emily. This is my sister. One day, Peppa wanted to get up early in the morning. Emily, get up! But Peppa, it's too late to get up. It's only 5 o'clock. You're joking! Come on, let's just wait for Mommy and Daddy. Wakey, Mommy and Daddy! What? It's time to get up! Come on, and we need to have breakfast.
Oh, it's much too early, Peppa. Don't you know what time it is?
No, Daddy, our clock doesn't work.
Oh dear. Let's see if we can mend it.
Aha! The old cuckoo clock. Why is it called a cuckoo clock? There's a little wooden bird inside called a cuckoo. I never seen a cuckoo before.
That's because we stopped winding it a long time ago.
The cuckoo got a bit annoying. Can you wind it up again, please, Daddy? Please. Mommy?
Oh, all right, we will.
Hooray! So, on the yes. Daddy takes 9 blocks to cuckoo clock. Daddy takes 7 o'clock to the right time. It's almost 9 o'clock. Daddy, what is the cuckoo like?
Now let me think. She moves her head like this. And she slaps her wings like this. And she says, cuckoo!
Cuckoo! Cuckoo! What a little noisy cookie you are, Emily. Cuckoo! Look, it's going to do something. Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Wow! Silly Emily, you missed it. The cuckoo was really brave. She went cuckoo, and you missed it.
Never mind, you can see Cuckoo next time, but you have to wait. Cuckoo almost comes out for almost an hour.
Waiting is boring. Come on, Emily, let's play outside. Emily doesn't want to play outside. She is waiting to see Cuckoo. It is nearly 11 o'clock. Emily is waiting for Cuckoo for almost an hour. Emily, come and play! Mr. Dinosaur wants you to play too. Dinosaur. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Emily has missed Cuckoo again. Never mind, Emily. Why don't you play in the garden? I'll call you when it's time to see Cuckoo. It's nearly 12 o'clock. Peppa! Emily! Time to see Cuckoo! Quick, Emily! You can't miss Cuckoo again! Oh! Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Emily, did you saw the cuckoo? Cuckoo! 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 Oh, cuckoo! Is it morning already?
No, it's time to sleep.
Cuckoo is not very well.
She just needs to sleep, like you and Emily.
Good night.
Good night, my little piggies.
Emily, I know how to make Cuckoo better. We wind it up like Daddy did. Mummy and Daddy are fast asleep. What? Mummy! Daddy! We got something to show you. We made Cuckoo better. Cuckoo, cuckoo.